Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to review Warmwind OS. So for overview, Warmwind is a Linux-based AI OS that integrates AI agents directly into system-level workflows. That means everything from launching apps, writing code, generating documents, and even scheduling can be voice-controlled or guided by AI assistants. So the key areas in this website is the first, design and features. The interface is clean, minimalist, and responsive. It feels like Mac OS meets ChatGPT. You can literally type create a Python script for weather tracking, and Warmwind builds the file, saves it, and even debugs it through its onboard agents. Number two, its performance. It's surprisingly lightweight considering how many background services it runs. Memory usage is well optimized, however, it still requires mid-range hardware to avoid lag when multitasking with AI heavy tasks. Number three, the downsides. It's still in early release, so some bugs, especially with third-party app compatibility, are still present. And while the AI is impressive, it may overstep at times, taking actions users don't intend to. So, for my final thoughts, Warmwind is definitely an exciting innovation. It's not ready to replace Windows or Mac OS just yet, but for devs and productivity enthusiasts, it's a game changer. So, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.